You just received your new Stonewood vanity or linen tower and notice the drawers require some readjustments. This quick tutorial will guide you on the various adjustments for better drawer alignment. Prior to shipping, Stonewood vanities go through a thorough quality inspection, which includes adjusting the drawers for proper alignment and closure. During transit and installation, drawers may become misaligned and require some adjustment. Fortunately, you can easily make these adjustments yourself in a matter of minutes. To level a drawer face, use the dial on the drawer clips underneath the drawer box to raise or lower each side of the drawer. Simply turn the dial right or left to the desired level. It is recommended to adjust both dials in unison and multiple drawers at the same time to get the best results. If the drawer face does not sit flush side to side with the face frame, you can easily adjust the gliding brackets. To do this, first you need to remove the drawer. Pull the drawer out fully, then reach underneath the drawer bottom and press in both release latches on the clips. Pull and lift the drawer from the slides. The drawer slides are attached to plastic gliding brackets mounted to the back frame. If there is a gap between the drawer face and the face frame on the left side, push both brackets to the right. If there is a gap on the right side, push both brackets to the left. Once the drawer face sits flush, it should not need adjusting again as the slides will be balanced. When the adjustment is complete, reinstall the drawer. Make sure the slides are pulled out completely and place the drawer onto the slides. Align the metal tabs on the back of the slides to sit in the pre-drilled holes on the back of the drawer box, then click the slides back into the clips. We hope you found this video helpful in guiding you through your installation. For more product tips and installation videos, please visit our website at www.stonewoodbath.com.